Sprayer decontamination is very important for every grower, especially as we're swapping between crops, often going into sensitive crops. So we really have to watch what we leave in the spray line. One thing that Horsch does better than anybody is the decontamination of this machine. Now you'll see a diaphragm pump mounted on the back of this sprayer. This diaphragm pump is used specifically for decontaminating the spray lines. Now it is plumbed directly to the freshwater tanks. So with a push of a button in the cab, we can actually activate fresh water through this, push it through the spray lines back into the main tank. It also flushes the filters as this is happening to ensure that between those jobs we are cleaning every bit of residue out of this boom line when we can start the next job clean. Please get in contact and we'd be happy to show you what this machine can do on your farm.